Recruiting people to Mars. Topic of project. I'm recruiting people to Mars. I'm going to create a model of the rocket that is going to be used on the journey to Mars. My model will be created with the use of materials that are much more attainable than the real materials. They will be replaced with arts and craft materials which will be in hand. I've chosen to recruit people to Mars because it is most habitable and it's most like Earth. Mars's soil contains water inside it which we are able to extract and clean and create fresh water. Mars also has a habitable temperature which is not too hot or cold. There is also enough sunlight on Mars to use solar panels and also not be too hot. This will help all of mankind since Mars has been vaguely explored, and by doing this we can get to learn more about this planet. The exploration will also help all of mankind because if we explore this planet well, we could someday live on Mars. Things known about the topic. I have learned that in space you are able to convert gases and other liquids into water, which can be used for drinking and washing. To recycle water, you have to boil the wasted liquids and spin it at high speeds in a machine and tank, and then store it in a tank. To recycle gas, you have to put the air through one filter and an air rejuvenation center, which is then stored in a containment center. And any other trace gases are put through multiple filters and also stored in the containment center. I have also discovered that there are some specific materials that are used to build rocket ships. Some of these are aluminium, lithium alloy, reinforced carbon, titanium, and aerogel. How to make food. Food has to be suction sealed and separated into different packages, and is put separately into a warming station and is then heated and is able to eat. What I've learnt about the topic. Did you know that Mars is a terrestrial planet and has a thin atmosphere which is mostly made up of carbon dioxide? Did you know that Mars got its name from the Roman god of war? Did you know that Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is the second smallest planet in the solar system? Did you know that you could jump 3 times higher on Mars than Earth? Mars journey. I am going to be creating a model of the rocket that will be used to journey to Mars. My rocket will be split into 7 levels: leisure, food, cockpit, and 3 levels of fuel storage. My main level will be food, since you need food to live. With food level, you will not just be eating packaged and dehydrated food, but you will be eating fresh foods which can grow in that area. I chose to use titanium as the main material on the body of the rocket ship because of its extreme strength and durability, while also being extremely light. Instead of titanium, I will be using cardboard to replace it since it is strong and durable while also being extremely light. I will also be using aerogel to insulate the rocket ship. Aerogel is useful since it is one of the lightest materials known to man and does an excellent job of insulating. Instead of using aerogel, I will put a thin layer of PVA glue because it looks and feels the same as aerogel. Sketch of my design. Digital design of a rocket ship. Photo of model. First layer. On the first layer there is an area for food and water to be stored and grown. On the second layer includes a technology area with computers for entertainment and other purposes. Third layer. The third layer has an exercise area to get rid of any excess weight or to stay in shape. What worked well and what worked difficultly. It was easy and worked well when I had to paint the body and the fins of the rocket ship. It was difficult when I had to glue all the small pieces together and wouldn't stick on. I enjoyed doing the more difficult challenges because it tests my abilities and stretches my mind. Thank you.